Bird of paradise. The first. Wired bird of paradise is a medium-sized bird of paradise with a length of about 33 centimeters from the single genus Seleucidus. Adult male birds have shiny black feathers on the side of the stomach decorated with yellow feathers. This bird has a long sharp beak and black with red iris. For female birds themselves are brown and have a smaller size than male birds, and also without being decorated with yellow feathers or the 12 wires on the belly. The second. King of paradise. The king of paradise is a bird of paradise whose body is about 16 centimeters long. The male bird is bright dark red and white, with bright blue legs, and has green fan-like feathers on its shoulders. Its two elongated tails are decorated with emerald green feathers. The third. Wilson's bird of paradise, or in its scientific name Cicinurus respublica, is a kind of small warbler with a length of about 21 centimeters from the genus Cicinurus. Wilson's bird of paradise is one of Raja Ampat's endemic birds, which can only be seen on Waigeo Island and Batanta Island. This type is already popular when an avifauna researcher and naturalist, Daniel Giroux Elliott, documented it in pictures. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.